Hi, I'm Donna.
I'm Jasmine.
Hi, Jasmine. Welcome. Well, we're here talking about Let's Get Astrophysical. And so you've been in Dr. Fiorella's class.
Yes.
And is this the first time that you've had performing arts with science education?
Yes, this is my first semester.
And how do you find it? Is it different?
Yes, I like it more than a regular science class because we are more interactive with our learning. Also, it just gives a more fun environment for learning instead.
Yeah, it does. That's really interesting. I mean, the whole concept is so interesting. You know, it's a real space opera.
Yeah.
And now, what is your part in the performance?
I'm a scientist for the second segment, so I go on stage in the little science lab and act out sciencey activities.
Oh, that's why the white robe.
Yes.
It's a great costume.
Yes.
So this is so what else do you think you've learned in this whole process?
Well, mainly just the universe and how we all come from it, basically, and the universe as a whole, like how it's always expanding in an accelerated rate, and where we all fit, how we came from stars and all of that.
And it's so interesting to have the concepts behind all of this and turning it into something, you know, a multimedia production like this, you know, so
Yes.
it makes it a whole different experience, you know, than just traditional science class. So, but it's also fun to learn.
Yeah, I think it gives us students more of a chance to have more playful activities where we can learn the concept as well as interact in a fun role play as well.
Well, you know, when you have something like that that helps you really absorb the information better, you know, because it's something you'll remember rather than something, you know, that you might learn in a textbook and then maybe you might forget it.
Forget
this
it
helps
right
you,
after the test or something.
Yeah, this helps you absorb it a little bit better,
Yes.
you know. What was your favorite part of this whole thing?
My favorite part has probably be the dance numbers because it's just so cool how they come together and perform as a team. And the dances are really cool as well, and the songs go really good with the theme.
Well, it's really exciting to be able to see this. We're going to have our rehearsal soon, so we'll be able to see how this all fits together. And I'm really happy that you were able to share some of that with us. And what do you think you'll remember the most about everything in this?
Probably the practices we had. It was fun getting together and coming as a group to perform this show, to show that science could be fun as well as educational.
Right, and get more people interested in science.
Yes.
Well, thank you, Jasmine.
Thank you.